Dewey Canyon Falls, Bumper Falls, and Heuston Falls.
Heuston?
Heuston. These falls are listed in Tim Ernst Arkansas Waterfall Guide. And the volunteer trail that leads from the highway and on down to the falls is now well trodden. All right, I'm going to cross over so I can get a better viewpoint of where said trail is. Wouldn't have seen it unless I was on this side of the road. Here it is. Welcome to the trail. Let's see if the rating of easy is accurate. It looks very washed out.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe it was easy at one point, but wow. Have they had like recent flash flooding in the last month or so?
I don't know.
Because
It seems like
that's
everything.
rough.
But this is not within the last month or so. This little
What?
offshoot, little
To the
route
side?
around the tree that we just took.
No, that's probably true.
That's been there a bit.
Okay, but this is not, I wouldn't deem this trail easy if all this crud is over here. Oh good, we're off the rutted out path. This is the correct path. Ah, oh, spider webs! For all of our listeners, you should count how many times I say, spider webs. Hey look, I hear water. We've already made it to, spiderweb, Dewey Canyon Falls. I don't know that I'd call this trail easy.
No.
Whoop! It's short, but I wouldn't say the word easy.
It's an E3.
It's an E3, yes. Oh. Is that the first falls? He's like 1 foot off the ground. Do 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 do. I give you. Wait, that can't be right. Dewey Canyon Falls. No, we're not there yet. Okay.
Okay.
I was like, that's not a canyon. It's an itty bitty. There we go. Got waterproof shoes. I'll just walk in the middle of it. You cannot see the falls from this angle
Nope.
because we are on top of the falls.
Go check out this cave.
That is the correct
We
direction.
can find a bear.
I don't have the spray ready.
I
Don't
got
go
a stick.
pissing off any bears.
Kind of cool. Pretty neat little overhang.
Just watch a spider run over my shoe. Rude. Oh look, there's the path that continues on. Hopefully we'll get around to where we can see a better view of Dewey Canyon Falls. And we're coming up to Bumpers Falls. And the trail does continue past Bumpers Falls, so. Woohoo! That is That's an impressive drop off. I can't see Dewey. Look at that. Not just the drop off, just looking up around you. Just yeah, that's canyon.
We're at the top of the trees.
Yeah. All right, back away from the edge. Slowly. Although we were off of edges even deeper than this when we were at White Rock Mountain, but it just didn't feel as impressive because you didn't have towering bluffs and trees around you. You just felt like you were on top. Are we gonna go behind the falls?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, we are.
I want to go down that way though.
Oh, is there a better way?
Seems like this is easier.
Oh yeah, I agree. I'll watch you. Go ahead. You gonna take a quick shower?
No. But I'll watch you.
I mean, it feels good, actually. And it's also moving. Thank you, wind. I feel like this is not right, because this is on the edge of a... Are we going up or down? Yeah, maybe. Okay, maybe this is right. This is a little sketchy. I'm sorry, I do not call this easy. This is fall to your death sketchy.
Yeah.
Let's stay on the edge of these rocks.
Yeah. Because this is definitely there's the other falls. Kind of see it.
Can you see them?
Yeah, getting to where we can see them.
Oh, yeah, we can see Bumper Falls. Still can't see Dewey Canyon Falls, though. They're at the top. We just couldn't see them. I think there's another one.
Wow, look at this cave.
Oh, yeah. Heuston Falls is at the end of this trail. So we just keep going around the rock bluff. Straddle the rock. And then just that. I'm going to do that. That was better for short legs.
This is cool.
I mean, I don't know that a bear is up here this high. I mean, he's having to walk precariously along rock ledges, and I mean, he
Someone's
could be.
had a fire here.
Probably humans.
Oh yeah, the bears aren't having fires.
I mean, they're pretty smart. Oh, and then they wrote all over the walls.
Yeah, of course they did.
With their ash. Large enough to hold some parties.
Definitely, I think cooler because it's more remote. We're like the only ones here.
Yeah. That other family could show up. They were crazy like we were, driving down that dirt road to find. It's crazy how close we are to the road, because we keep hearing sounds from the road. They're just driving over all of this beauty. This is not easy. Lies. Glad we brought our poles. Feel a lot better walking on the side of a rock face with hiking poles. Yep, you did it about as gracefully as I did. Let me make sure we're still on the trail. We are. We're about halfway from Bumpers Falls to the next one. I mean, it was almost a mile.
Crawling under trees.
I know. I don't know if that was a spider web or my own hair. Yeah, this trail could use some cleaning up. A couple chainsaws. Spider web. Ugh. Well, it's kind of a pretty view right there. We are walking on the side of the canyon, so. Spider web. Here, let's see if this gives us any great views. Nope, gives us great views of trees.
Yep.
The tops of trees, mind you.
Yep.
Yeah, spider web. Let's go this way. And maybe, I don't know. Let's go this way. 6 of one, half a dozen of another. Okay. I made it down that. I mean, you at least know if you're going to keep going, you'll run into that tree. I mean, according to all trails, we're not even on the trail at the moment. I'm like, well,
Story of our life.
clearly I can't be walking over there. That's the air, so. Oh, it looks like we're going down. That looks like a ladder. Like
Oh.
a ladder.
Yeah.
Easy my butt. I would never deem trail easy if you have to climb down
An aluminum ladder.
an aluminum ladder. One section is currently tied off. I don't know why the other section's not tied off.
It just looks semi-broken.
I mean, only that part's broken. I mean, seems pretty stable. All right. Where is the rung? Oh, there it is. It's not bad. Okay, I have made it down said aluminum ladder. Where the heck did you go from here?
Sticks in the way.
Okay, those are yours. I think we have to go down here. I think that's what this is for. To help you get back up. You know, well, or down. Down and up. We're going on the butt. That's what we're doing. We're getting muddy butt. Because that seems the safest way. And then I got the tree here. Okay. Really wasn't bad. You just hold on and slide on your butt. Okay, or you could be 6 foot and not have to slide on your butt. I mean, I don't know
I
what
had to get
tell
on my
you.
butt. Just not as bad as you did.
I just figured, you know what? I'd rather slide on my butt and then make it down safely than not. But that rope will help me get back up. So, thank you to whoever left the rope there. I appreciate it. Oh man, that breeze feels amazing. All right, here is Heuston Falls. Now, you want to call it trickle.
It's a bat.
Was it a bat?
Yeah.
I mean, there is a hole right there, cave holes. So
Yeah.
we are probably interrupting his life. Here is, that's a trickle to me.
Yeah.
That's a trickle. Yeah, it's kind of hard to put your foot down in the leaves because you just don't know what's
Well,
underneath them.
I don't know what critters are underneath them.
Oh, I was more worried about that could be like
No.
3 feet deep and I just sink 3 feet into
I
it.
was worried about snakes hiding in there.
That's probably true. I don't know. Do you see what I see?
Yeah.
Just the, right, the sun is kind of capturing off the droplets.
This is the end, right?
Yeah, yep. We've reached the end. I'm sure if you want to keep bushwhacking going, you could definitely keep bushwhacking going. Here's just some big rocks. Look at that giant thing. No, I haven't finished my workout. I'm taking a break. Woo. A little squishy there. It's not as refreshing as the last one. Feels like it's sprinkling on me.
Because it's sprinkling on you.
All right. I'm done playing in the rain, the water. Not the rain. I'm done playing in the water.
I'm gonna go check up here real quick.
All right, you do that. Like, that's too small for a bear to go into, right?
Probably.
That's good.
Like that hole?
Yeah,
Oh, yeah. I think so.
definitely that one. All right.
Can you hold your sticks?
Now,
Yeah.
gotta kind of use them one-handed to get back up here. Is it gonna work? Nope, tree's not gonna work. Woo, there we go. Tree, rope, up. Okay, I have made it. Why do you make it look so easy? I mean, is that extra 6 inches really that helpful?
Strength, maybe.
You call me a weakling?
Yes.
I think it's because you have an extra 6 inches of leg.
6 inches of height and strength makes a world of difference.
I think 6 inches of leg is all you got.
I got a lot more strength than you.
Yeah, whatever.
You know that.
I do know that. Okay. Whew.
Oh, you took your sticks up with you?
I just tucked them under my chin, Jared. I climbed with them under my chin. And it worked, actually. get up this little sketchy part. The step is half my height, man. Here we go. All right, I'm up. Oh, looks like it might sprinkle or rain in a little bit. I always like it when I have firsts and I survive. So, you know, first time climbing down a rickety ladder in the middle of a canyon in Arkansas that somebody put there. Probably not the Park Service. Maybe the Park Service, I don't know.
Yeah, it could have. Someone had to donate it, if they did.
But I kind of feel like if the Park Service did it, they would just be like, oh, the trail ends here, you can't go any further. That's not safe activity, climbing down an aluminum ladder.
This is where being 6 foot has more of a problem.
That's true. It was a little easier because I'm going downhill
Yeah.
under it.
Still, it's a long ways. Hold that. It's easier.
Yeah. I just grabbed the tree and then squatted down and duck walked.
I just can't do that with sticks in my hand.
Fair enough. How dirty is my butt?
Not very.
Oh, good.
How dirty is my butt?
Not at all. Yeah, not at all. What does my tattoo say? What does my tattoo say? Dude. What does my tattoo say? Sweet. No. Tell me, what does my tattoo say?
Dude.
I feel like I'm like, what does my butt look like? And then you're like, what does my butt look like? That was easier than going the other way.
Yeah.
I'm on top of the world.
Onward and downward?
Not upward.
Are we going up or down from here?
I do think there's a little upward after we get back to the water where that one starts. I forgot their names already. Oh yeah, this is Bumper Falls. Wow.
Hello.
Hello.